Look for a kitchen installation service now. Watching cooking shows and cooking competitions give you a certain high, especially when you see how the kitchen set looks like. Everything that they need is within their reach. And it brings back to mind how our teachers in home economics taught us that this certain type of kitchen layout is most comfortable with because of the fluid movement and easy reach of utensils and kitchen equipment. This kind of layout brings to mind how we build our homes and kitchens. Depending on the size of your home, never ever compromise the layout of your kitchen, for this is the best feature that you can proudly show off to your friends, aside from the bathroom, of course. Kitchens plays an integral role in our lives, for it is the silent witness of our households with history and poignant moments.